important law which is useful for the calculation of the voltage and the current with respect to some resistance value. Okay, because resistor is connected in the circuit. So always remember V is equal to IR. And how we can say about the voltage and current? Voltage across the resistor and current passing through the resistor. I always told you this sentence. How we calculate the voltage? Voltage across the resistor and the current passing through the resistor. Okay. The next one is the network terminology. It's the electrical network and the element. Element is nothing but a component. And electrical network means what? It is the one nothing but it's a kind of the arrangement of the different elements or the components with the voltage and the current sources. Okay, that's nothing but what the electrical network. There is a two types of the elements, that means components, active component and passive component. Who can produce the energy, that is the active component. Who can't produce the energy, that is a passive component. Basically this is the difference, and just remember the example with respect to active and passive. Okay, with respect to some sources and a component, we have to differentiate it. Active elements includes number of sources also, energy sources also, current and a voltage source, dependent and independent source. And passive elements is nothing but basically it's a RLC. Okay, resistor, capacitor and a inductor. Then some basic terminology which is related, which is important for the network analysis. Okay, for the analysis purpose, we can have to read the network first. Okay, and for the reading the network, we have to know how we can read the network. We have to know the each and every terminology of that particular network. That's why we included here some terminology that's called branch. What is the branch? What is the junction point? Node, mesh in the circuit. Okay. So as per this terminology, we can say here this is the one kind of the electrical network. We already covered the definition electrical network. This is nothing but the electrical network where we can arrange the different electrical element with some sources. Okay, we can say this voltage is nothing but one kind of the source. We can replace the resistor with the capacitor with the inductor, any kinds of the component. Okay, so this is nothing but the electrical element. But how we can read it? Without understanding the terminology, I can't read it. Okay, so for reading the electrical network, we have to know where is the branch. When we are connecting the number of branch with each other, it will make a electrical network. But by which point we can connect it? That's called as a node. By connecting the two branches on a particular same node. That is the one. Okay. So what is the loop? When the number of branches are connected each other through a node and making a closed loop. Okay, that's called a loop, mesh. Okay, and the junction is what? More than two or three branches are coming in and out of that particular node. That's called as the junction point. So these are the important terminology.